How did Neolithic agriculture change human diets? Have you ever wondered how the shift to farming transformed what we eat? The transition to Neolithic agriculture was a major turning point in human diets. This change marked the move from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to one focused on farming and domesticating animals. It had a big impact on what people consumed and how they lived. During the Neolithic period, which began around 10,000 years ago, people started to cultivate plants like emmer wheat and barley. These grains became a primary source of calories, replacing the varied wild plants and animals that earlier diets included. As a result, diets became less diverse. While hunter-gatherers enjoyed a wide range of foods, Neolithic diets relied heavily on staple crops. This shift sometimes led to health issues, such as tooth decay, because grains break down into sugars more easily than many wild foods. Along with growing crops, people began to domesticate animals. This meant that meat and dairy products from animals like cattle, sheep, and goats became common in their diets. Before this, during the Mesolithic period, people often relied on fish and other aquatic resources. However, in some areas with rich water sources, like the Iron Gates region in southeastern Europe, fishing continued alongside farming. The move to agriculture also changed how people lived. Farming required individuals to settle in one place for longer periods. They needed to plant, care for, and harvest their crops. This shift led to new social structures and food storage practices. With the ability to store surplus grains and animal products, communities could grow larger and more permanent. From an archaeological viewpoint, evidence of these dietary changes can be found in food residues on pottery shards. Pottery used for processing and storing food often contains traces of dairy fats and meat. This shows just how important these foods became during the Neolithic period. Additionally, grinding stones and large quantities of seeds found at archaeological sites highlight the central role of cereals in their diets. In summary, Neolithic agriculture changed human diets by shifting the focus to cultivated grains and domesticated animals. This transition reduced dietary variety and introduced new food processing and storage techniques. It laid the groundwork for the development of more complex societies while also presenting new nutritional challenges compared to the varied diets of hunter-gatherers.